Hey guys, how are you? I'm John.
And I am the sensational Sandy.
Okay, and we're on the sailing vessel Navicula, and we cruise around the Bahamas. Listen, we just want to thank you guys for all the subscribers, the new subscribers, and the comments. We try to get to you guys at all the comments. I try to respond to all the comments, which I do, because you know what, there's not that many comments, but the more the better, and I love the participation.
That's what he does in bed in the mornings when he says he's up, you know, doing stuff, and I'm in bed. No, I'm up. That's what he's doing. He's laying in bed replying to comments.
Listen, guys, we started this channel I think in 2015, and you know, we started for our family and friends, and 50% of our subscribers, I'm sure, are close friends and that know us, so that, you know, they feel like they know us, and they know our band, they know who we are. They actually know us enough to know that this is real and we're not scripting anything, because this is the way we talk to each other. And yeah. Sandy's mean to me, and that's the way it is. We've been married for 40 years, okay, guys, and we're not the same people as we were when we were younger. We are totally different. Thank God for that, in a way. But you know, we've all and we banter, we hate each other, and we love each other at the same time. How's that work out?
That's the way it is for everybody, basically.
So we just want to thank your efforts, and we just want to thank you guys for subscribing. We're up to 400 subscribers now. I mean, guys, we've doubled our subscription in this season alone. We don't know what's going on. We don't know if it's people are subscribing. We don't know if it's bots, like an algorithm thing. We have no idea. Yeah. But now things have changed. I mean, like, we feel responsible here. Yeah,
I mean, for the people that really don't know us, that are watching, again, it's so wonderful that we can be a part of your life. Instead of just saying thank you, it's wonderful that we can share something with us. But you get a sense of, so these people that don't know us now, are they waiting, you know, because of the effort you put in to watch the videos? Should we do more? Or, you know, it's just...
should we do better quality? We don't want to change anything, okay? This is us, you know, and we're old and we're fat, and we'll never be YouTube stars, and nor do we care at this point of our lives. I'm going to be 63 and Sandy is 61, okay? At this point in our lives, we don't need a lot of disruption.
And a lot of extra work.
And this is fun, don't get me wrong.
Life is work.
And here's the kicker, though. I'm going to retire this year, and I'll have more time for this stuff, so I'll be able to blow up your goddamn internet a lot more.
Yeah, well, it may be some other stuff that we do.
Absolutely.
Not just on the water.
There's a lot more to Sandy and I than...
my dinger, I gotta get my bread. Sorry, I was doing
Sandy
bread this
makes
morning.
bread.
I gotta go.
Beautiful bread.
I gotta go.
So there's a lot more to Sandy and I than just sailing, and we have another life on land. And when I retire, I may take you guys. I'm sure I'll take you guys on what we do on land. Then we return to the boat and whatnot. So really nice to have you guys take the time and effort to that have subscribed, and I hope we continue to deliver and keep you on board, because that'll show that we're doing something correct. again, we have no experience in video editing, or we don't come from a media background. Actually, you do, Sandy. You come from a media background. I work in construction, okay, guys? I work in construction, okay? So I wear steel toe boots, okay? And I love it. I may retire this year, but I tell you, I may go back every once in a while because I love to screw around with the guys and have a bit of fun. Sandy has been retired now for a few years. Actually, quite a few years. Actually, she officially retired when she turned 60. So a year ago. Less than a year ago.
I still do work. I'm still busy. It's just not going to the office.
Yeah, that's right. She cuts the grass. She makes bread. She makes beautiful bread. And she does little things like, great things like that. Actually, she really helps me out because I do go to work, and there's maintenance that gets done that Sandy does. She's just amazing.
And construction.
Listen, it's more than just a pretty face here. Okay, there's a lot more to Sandy than just this pretty face. All right. So, yeah, that's what we do, guys. We work. I work.
Yeah, well, and also the time it takes for you to get to and from work, where we live now at the cottage.
You know what Sandy does a lot of? Laundry. Her laundry. Not mine, because I wear the same thing every goddamn day.
That's just disgusting.
Okay. Well, you never do my laundry.
I do it,
and I don't have much
you won't take your clothes off for me to do it. That's half the battle.
So anyways, after we do retire, we will continue on with these. Hopefully I'll have more time for this. I think I already went over that.
Watching.
And we're having a gas.
Hopefully we can still be entertaining.
Well, regardless, this is real. I mean, this is us, okay? So we want to have a gas. And our fun may be different than a lot of people's fun. But anyways, obviously, some people are hitting that subscribe button, and it's making us feel really good. But also, on the other hand, it's a bit terrifying. Yeah. Well, because we don't want to send the wrong message too. Like, we really don't know what we're doing. Okay, so what if we send the wrong message out there? We don't want to have that responsibility. So, anyways, but we're going to continue doing it, having fun our way. Okay, and but we do appreciate the comments. I don't have any nasty. I want nasty comments.
Okay.
I mean, something I can fight back with.
Yeah, I'm tired of fighting with him.
Trust me, I'm tired of fighting with you too, dear. Oh, God. Anyways, so maybe this attracts. You know what? I think I did look on the algorithm thing, and our age group is 65. That most people that are watching the channel are older, so they understand the banter and what I'm going through with this woman in menopause.
Yeah, okay.
I think that's what's really going on.
Menopause? Yeah.
And so what happens is, Sandy may kill me someday.
Maybe. We'll see.
Or she's killing me slowly through her bread, because I love that bread.
I will never admit to it, though.
Thanks, you guys.
All right.
See you next time.
Remember, Team Sandy.
There you go.